Oh, hey, this is Dennis here at the Melloy Auto Group in Los Lunas, New Mexico. And right now we are standing in front of Melloy Ford, well, kind of beside Melloy Ford, standing in front of the flag. Looks like I'm running for office. So today we are going to take a look at a beautiful vehicle. You know, we've got trucks. We've got all the trucks that you want. But some of y'all want to look at some cars. And so we've got some cars too, including this beautiful 2020 Ford Fusion. This is a hybrid edition. You can see it right behind me, right there, right there. There it is. So this is a 2020 Hybrid Fusion Titanium Edition. And it is loaded with features, and you are gonna love it. You are gonna be like, come on, man. Tell me how to buy this thing right now. I know you are. So let's take a look at this, shall we? This is the 2020 Ford Fusion Hybrid. Look at that, that is pretty. And so as you walk around it, you're gonna see all the features that we've got on this thing. Wow, I'm walking the wrong way. I usually walk around the other way, but that's okay. Look at that, that is beautiful. Sunroof. Hybrid titanium. I gotta tell you, when I jumped in this thing, I didn't realize it was a hybrid. And I'll show you how it starts inside, but I started it up and it was like, wait, the engine's not running. Because sometimes the engine doesn't have to run. You can run on batteries. So let's take a look inside, shall we? We'll look at some features. So you can see right there, Ford Fusion Hybrid. This is in white platinum metallic tri-coat with russet leather trimmed interior. Beautiful. See some of the standard features there. Loaded with standard features. Plus this has the white platinum metallic tri-coat paint, the 18-inch premium wheels. Ooh, that is nice. And look at that right there. 42 miles per gallon, 43 in the city, 41 on the highway. Man, let's jump inside and take a look at some of these features, shall we? All right, so of course this has keyless, so as soon as I reach for the door handle, the door unlocked. Nice. Power windows, power door locks, memory seats. There you can see it's got the power seat, including lumbar. And there are those seats. I like those seats on this color. That is beautiful, don't you think? I do. We'll jump in here and take a closer look. This is beautiful. This is what I was talking about. So I jumped in it this morning and I said, oh, I'm gonna do this one. And so I said, okay, we're gonna start it. And so I was like, okay, but wait, it's not started. But it is started, because it's a hybrid. See, the little green light's on, which means I'm running on batteries. It's ready to drive, vehicle's on. I didn't know, I kept pushing the button. Oh, you'll get used to this. Okay, so this thing's got cruise control. It's got your driver display options right there. Over here, it's got your entertainment options. Over here, it's got your hands-free stuff. Whew, fancy. Right there, see this button? See this thing right here? Turns on your windshield wipers. Over here, you've got turn signals. Sweet. This has the Sony audio system. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, look, it's got navigation. So you know where you are right here in Los Lunas. This is the interstate right here. Here, we'll go fully navigation, load that map up. This is Interstate I-25 right there. We are at exit 203, right off the interstate. Easy to find and easy to deal with. Oh, see it was like, hey, wait, you ain't driving. I'm gonna turn on the engine. See how that works? That is sweet. So it's got the Sony stereo system. Your AC controls are all right there. This is a nice looking car, man. This is really nice. Got your rotary dial transmission. All I gotta do is boom, put it in gear, put it in park. Nice. It's got some nice cup holders. Look at the size of those cup holders. Electronic parking brake. It's got your downhill assist. And you see the seats in there. Those are pretty, pretty seats. Beautiful. Isn't this beautiful? Oh yeah, and don't forget, it's got a sunroof. Holy smokes. Oh, that's nice. Man, 40 miles per gallon and all of this stuff? Unbelievable. Here, we're gonna turn this thing. We'll turn it off while we get out. But we're gonna look in the back seat too. We're gonna look in the back seat. Let's take a look. Beautiful leather seats in the back. Plenty of room for your passengers. They are gonna love you. Every time you go somewhere, they're gonna be like, no, you drive. And of course, this is a hybrid, but you still can put gas in it. See right there. So it's both gas engine and the battery engine. Swinging around the back here, you can see the titanium hybrid edition. Let's open up that trunk, shall we? Let's see, we're gonna do it right here. Oh, nice. Oh, you get some floor mat action up in here. Look at that, plenty of room. That is pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Sunroof, I don't know what else you want in a car. So if you were looking for a car, remember, we got plenty of trucks. Look, I got trucks all over there. But if you need a car, that's your car. Why are you still looking? That's your car. Why are you still looking? That is a beautiful 2020 Ford Fusion Titanium Edition, loaded with features. Come on down and let's make a deal. Easy to find right on Interstate I-25, exit 203. You can check us out online at melloyford.com. Our personal shopper program allows you to schedule delivery in your driveway or ours. So come see us, huh? The 2020 Ford Fusion sitting here waiting for you. Come on, people. This is Dennis at the Melloy Auto Group here at Melloy Ford saying, peace